Hi everyone, welcome back. And today we're going to make an interesting salad recipe with a creamy, healthy salad dressing that's going to make this broccoli chicken salad amazingly delicious. Also, this salad is low in carb and keto friendly, making it an ideal salad recipe to include in your weight loss diet plan. So let's get started with this delicious salad recipe. And here in this bowl I've taken some boneless chicken pieces cut into medium portions like this. And now I'm going to make a marination paste for the chicken. For that we'll take a blender or mixer jar and into it goes 4 large garlic pods, 1 inch of ginger cut into smaller portions, 1 green chilli as per your spice level. Then goes few coriander leaves as well as their soft stems as they have got so much of flavors in them. And finally into this we will add 1 tablespoon of thick curd or dahi. You can also add yogurt if you want. And now we need to blend this into a smooth paste. Let's check this now. And our spicy and flavorful paste is ready to marinate the chicken. We'll start by adding some salt as per taste. Around 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And finally the spicy and flavorful paste which we had prepared. We'll give this some mix. Well, there is one more ingredient left to add to the chicken pieces, and that is the juice of half a lime. And now we'll give a final mix. And we will let the chicken rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, we'll chop some veggies. First, I will slice a medium-sized onion into juliennes like this. Next, I'm going to chop some iceberg lettuce which will add a crunch to our salad. But you can add any other lettuce of your choice. This is also done. We'll keep the lettuce aside for a moment. Next, here in this bowl, I've taken some broccoli cut into bite-sized portions like this. And I have blanched them in salt water for 1 to 2 minutes so that they become soft and tender. We'll keep this aside and now we shall prepare a creamy yet healthy salad dressing. For that we'll take a blender jar and into it we will add 3 to 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. But if you don't have yogurt, you can add thick curd or dahi also. And to add some protein, I will add around 50 grams of cottage cheese or paneer, which will give a rich texture and thick consistency to our salad dressing. Next goes 3 garlic pods as well as few soft coriander stems which will give a nice flavor to the salad dressing. Then I'm going to add slightly less than 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and a teaspoon of lemon juice. For seasoning we'll add some salt as per taste and a pinch of black pepper, and now we need to blend this into a smooth consistency. Now let's pour the prepared salad dressing into a bowl. And you can see the consistency, silky smooth and creamy with lovely flavors. We'll keep this aside and now let's saute the marinated chicken pieces. For that we'll heat little olive oil in a pan. We'll spread the oil on all the sides of the pan. And when the oil is hot enough, we will place the marinated chicken pieces one by one. And on medium flame, we will saute them until they are well cooked and turns golden brown from both the sides. And now I'm going to cover and cook the chicken pieces on low to medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. After about 4 minutes, we'll remove the lid and flip the chicken pieces one by one. They are well browned from one side. And now again we will cover and cook the chicken pieces on low to medium flame for another 3 minutes or until they are cooked through. And after about 3 to 4 minutes, the chicken pieces are well cooked. We'll now keep on flipping them in between so that they are well browned from all the sides. And as you can see, the chicken pieces are well browned from all the sides. So I will take them off and allow them to cool down slightly. And now let's slice the chicken pieces into bite-sized portions. And because of the marination, the chicken pieces turns out so very soft and flavorful. So slicing of the chicken pieces is done, and now let's assemble the salad. In a large mixing bowl, I have added the chopped lettuce, and now into this I will add some carrot cut into thin long strips or juliennes like this. Next goes some onions cut into juliennes. You can separate the layers. And now let's add the blanched broccoli as well as the chicken slices. And now let's pour the flavorful, creamy and healthy salad dressing. And now we need to toss the salad dressing really well for at least 1 to 2 minutes until the dressing is well combined with all the ingredients. And friends, while many people add mayonnaise-based dressing to this type of salads, you can opt for this kind of no mayo homemade dressing, which will make your salad healthy and perfect to include in your weight loss diet plan. So mixing is done, and now let's serve our salad. And here goes our broccoli chicken salad, which is not just delicious but healthy too, and it's low in carb and keto friendly, ideal for your gym diet and weight loss diet plan. So do try this healthy and delicious salad recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and you can check out my other interesting salad recipes as well. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and happy cooking everyone.